Recordar can also mean to reminisce. Reminisce. This one is interesting. This one is interesting because, you are using recordar as well. But now you're using it just to remember. It's similar to, when something reminds you of something, right? But you're just talking about the past, right? You recall past experiences. You're recalling past experiences, and you are pretty much just going back in time, pretty much, just a little bit. So you can use recordar for that as well. So let's look at some examples. Nos gusta recordar los viejos tiempos. Nos gusta recordar los viejos tiempos. This means we like to reminisce about the old times. So you're just talking about, old times. Maybe you liked the past, maybe you don't, but you're just talking about that, right? So nos gusta means we like. We like. When you add more, you don't have to say to, right? But you can just add a verb right after. Nos gusta recordar. So this is the verb that we're learning right now. We like to reminisce. Reminisce. Los viejos tiempos. Viejos tiempos or los viejos tiempos means the old times. We don't have about here. We don't have it. So we just have recordar. Okay, so just remember that. Recordar is all about, go back in and remember. And, like recordar can be used for so peculiar situations when something reminds you of something, or, you are talking about old times, or you're remembering old times, and you're just, saying to people, telling people your story. So that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. So this is a very easy example. Let's move on and let's talk about the last example. A menudo recuerda sus viajes. A menudo recuerda sus viajes. This means he often reminisces about his travels. So yeah, I just imagine someone who has traveled a lot, and this person is saying, "Oh my God, I remember this trip when I was in this city, and I did this, and there were good times, and we did this, and I did this." And yeah, I mean, that's essentially what you're talking about here. So it's a good one. It's a good one for sure. A menudo. Let's break this down, by the way. A menudo means often. That's interesting. A menudo, you can also say seguido, okay? But a menudo is a common phrase that means often. Recuerda, él recuerda. He reminisces. And you are saying, you don't need to say él. You can say él. A menudo él recuerda, but you don't have to say él all the time. So just remember the conjugation of the verb recordar for he, okay? And it's in present tense in this situation. A menudo recuerda he often I cannot say this verb. Oh my goodness. Reminisces. And let's include about. We don't have it in Spanish here. His viajes. Viajes means travels or trips, just trips. He remembers his trips. He's talking about his trips. He's letting you know everything about them, and it might be good or it might be pretentious. Who knows? You might find that pretentious of him to say, I've been here and there, or maybe you're interested. Who knows? Who knows? Okay, so remember, recordar can also means to reminisce.